Hello everyone, this is Farzan here from Language Academy with another video today. Guys, in this week's video, we are going to discuss very important aspect of our writing module, that is your essay writing. Now, what I have seen is that many students, they know the template, they know how to write an essay, they have memorized each and every single thing, but they don't know how to put the content inside, like what is the good content and how they're going to get the points in the content. In this video, I will be explaining in detail about the fact that what is the good content and how you are going to get your keywords inside that particular template. Okay. First of all, remember that each essay will carry 15 points. Okay. So in essay, overall points will be 15. Out of those 15 points, 3 points are of the content. Okay. So content is only 3 points, but many students, they're like, okay, it's just 3 points. I will just ignore the content. Okay, I will just put the topic as it is, as many times as I can, and I'll be fine. It is good approach, like you have to use the topic, but don't underestimate the importance of the content. Content, although it carry 3 points, but remember this thing that if your content is 0 out of 3, it doesn't matter what you have written, your whole essay will be 0 out of 15 if your content is 0 out of 3. Okay. So be very careful about it. You have to put good content inside in order to get good score in your essay writing. Now, I have encountered this question so many times that how much keywords should I put? What are the good keywords? How to put these words inside? Okay. First of all, remember that in your essay writing, you should have around, like if you are putting keywords, you should have around 10 to 15 good keywords. I'm not talking about just words, good keywords. Okay, so try to put like group of keywords, or you can say try to put phrases inside your template. Okay, let's say for example, let's say my topic of discussion is related to migration. Okay, I want to talk about the positives of migration. Many students, what they do, they write job opportunities as the advantage. Now, job opportunities, it's fine, but it's not a very good keyword. Like, do you want to say more job opportunities or do you want to say less job opportunities? So you have to identify that. So try to use as many adjectives as you can so that you can define that what actually you want to say. So if you want to say job opportunities, better word is to say more job opportunities or better job opportunities, something like this. Clear? If you want to say earn money, better thing to say is good economic growth or good economic opportunities or good earning opportunities, something like that. All right. So try to get like group of keywords inside. Now, as far as your content is concerned, it consists of 3 different points. First of all, you should get keywords which are related to the topic. Okay. Guys, remember this thing. Any word or a group of words which are there in the topic, they are your good keywords. So make sure that you are using all of these kind of words at one point of time or another. For example, if the topic is about migration, you can talk about advantages and disadvantages of migration. You can say pros and cons of migration. You can say relocation as well. That is absolutely fine. Okay, but try to use the word migration as many times as you can. That is a good keyword and that will give you a good score in your content. Okay, so first of all, your content points are coming from your keywords which are related to the topic. Sometimes what we have observed is that the topic is very long. Like there are 3-4 sentences written in the topic. If you can get keywords or like if you want to get like whole phrases from those sentences, that is absolutely fine. Try to get that, try to include each and every aspect of the topic, because in that way, you are actually making sure that you are taking care of the keywords which are related to your topic. Okay. Second thing, you should have keywords related to the pros of the topic, or you can say related to the advantages of the topic. Okay. You know that in every single essay, we make one introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and then 1 conclusion, right? In those body paragraphs, 1 will be related to positive, 1 will be related to negatives. So in 1 paragraph, you should have enough keywords, like around 4 to 5 good keywords, which are related to the advantages or pros of the topic. That will also contribute significant points towards your content. And if you write good keywords, just the way I gave you the example, better economic opportunities, better job opportunities, good education facilities, etc., these kind of words, you are going to get good score in the content. Okay, so you should have keywords which are related to the topic or related to the positives of the topic. Third thing, make sure that you are writing keywords which are related to the cons of the topic, or you can say negatives or disadvantages of the topic. These are also good keywords. Okay, so computer have like you can say it has a memory of these kind of words. So as long as you are using these words, you will get the score in the content part. Okay, so try to get as many keywords which are related to the topic, related to the positives of the topic, and related to the negatives of the topic. But most importantly, try to use the topic again and again. Okay, if you want to use it as it is, use it. Sometimes you might have to make some changes in the topic. Do that as well. That is absolutely fine. For example, let's say I am giving you an example. Let's say the topic, in the topic it says responsible. Now you can't write it. You can also make it as responsibility. That is absolutely fine. If it says able, you can convert it into ability. Okay, just to make sure that it is making grammatical sense with your sentences in with your own sentences or with the sentences of your template. Okay, so you can modify the topic a little bit, like these words: responsible, responsibility, put ing form as well, but make sure that the main keyword of the topic that remains, and you should be using that enough times. Okay, as long as guys you have enough keywords which are related to the topic, words which are related to the positives and negatives of the topic, and as long as you have like around 10 to 15 good keywords, you will be fine. It will be very rare. Now I have also encountered this question many times. Many students say that, okay, what if I can't understand anything about the topic? First of all, it's going to be very rare that, okay, you have no idea what to say or what to write, or you don't even know the meaning of it, because sometimes when they want to give you a difficult topic, they also give you like a definition in the topic. Okay, in the PTE, topics are like that. But still, if you have no clue, just try to use the keywords as many times as you can from the topic. Try to use it again and again, so that you are at least getting points in the content, and that will take care of your keywords which are related to the topic. Okay, so I will recommend that before going into your exam, just make like a list of keywords, positives and negatives both, of some essay topics which are like the famous essay topics, or which are like predicted many times that, okay, in your exam the question will be coming from those. Try to form your keywords, discuss it with me, discuss it with other tutors as well, and we will definitely help you out regarding the keywords and how to put those keywords inside the template. Okay, when you are using any verbs, for example, try to put it in ing form. Don't use first form of verb over there. That is better as well. Okay, so long story short, make sure you guys are focusing on the content, which carries 3 points over here. Make sure that you know keywords related to the negatives, related to the positives, and keywords related to the topic. You should have around 10 to 15 good keywords. If you have that, your essay will be fine and you will get a very good score in your essay writing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with some other videos as well. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, let us know. We'll definitely help you out. Thank you so much and have a good day.